Hello friends, in this video we are going to use a UUID, okay, with the help of Talend software. In last video what we did, we store the Excel sheet data inside the Postgres SQL with the help of Talend software. You can see that this is the Excel data we store inside the Postgres SQL with the help of Talend software. In previous video we already did this thing. So in this video what we are going to do, you can see this is the primary key and which are in integer form 101, 102, 103. But what we want to change this primary key as a UUID. Okay, so how we will do this thing with the help of Talend? Let's see. We already fixed these things. So if you want to know how we fix these things, how we store that Excel sheet inside the database, so you have to see the previous video. Now we are going to just change the primary key as a UUID. So what we have to do, go in tmap. Okay, inside the tmap you can see that we already map with this table to this table. We are taking this Excel sheet employee ID and we are storing inside the database. So we will disable this map. Okay, and we have to add here and we have to paste here this thing, java.util.uid.random uid to string. Copy these things, okay, and paste here and give name here as a id, anything you can give any name, and map with this. Okay, mapping is now changed. Now we change the map. Okay, now click OK, done. And we have to check here edit schema in database that is UUID or not. So click here and go here, edit schema, and here's a work here. We have to, this employee ID should be a UUID. Okay, then it will store that ID as a UUID. Now everything is done, mapping is done. We change the data type and now let it run. Okay, this is this data is stored as a integer ID. So firstly we will truncate this data. Okay, truncate. Now I truncate this, so it will delete this all data. We will store this same data again, but with the help of UUID, not a primary ID or not this integer ID. Okay, now run this. Firstly save, then run. It will take some time, no problem. Let it be take. Start job connected. Okay, done. Starting. So every connection we already explained in the previous video. You can see that video also, no problem. I will put that link in my description box. Okay, now let's check. Yeah, you can see this primary ID we store as a UUID. So this is totally unique ID. Okay, so you can store your primary ID as a UUID in database with the help of Talend software. Thank you guys for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Thank you guys.